If your TikTok hashtags are not working, here's how to fix it. First, check if you are using banned or restricted hashtags. Some hashtags may be shadow banned by TikTok, meaning they won't help with visibility. Try using different hashtags to see if that makes a difference. Next, make sure your TikTok app is updated. An outdated app can cause glitches, so go to the Google Play Store or App Store. Search for TikTok and update if needed. If the issue persists, clear the TikTok cache. Open TikTok, go to your profile, tap the three lines in the top right, then scroll down to free up space and tap Clear Cache. Also, check your account privacy settings. If your account is private, your videos and hashtags won't reach a wider audience. Go to Settings, Privacy, and make sure your account is set to public. If hashtags still don't work, try reposting the video with a different hashtag or using a new TikTok account to test if the issue is account related. If nothing works, contact TikTok support through the help center in the app. That's it. Hopefully, your hashtags will start working again. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more TikTok fixes.